Welcome to the instructions video for the Electron Speed Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you calculate how fast electrons travel when accelerated through an electric field. Whether you're studying particle physics or designing electron beam equipment, this calculator makes complex velocity calculations simple and accurate. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter the accelerating voltage in volts. This represents the potential difference that accelerates the electrons. For our example, let's enter a value of 1000 volts in the voltage input field. The calculator will then compute the electron speed using fundamental physics constants, including the electron mass and charge. You can also explore relativistic effects for higher voltages where classical physics breaks down. The results display the electron velocity in meters per second, along with the kinetic energy gained by the electron. This information is crucial for understanding electron behavior in various scientific and industrial applications. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.